Hi students, today we are going to see 10th standard grammar articles. First you must know what is articles. Articles are used before nouns. They modify the nouns. A and D are called articles. They are also called demonstrative adjective or determiners. Articles can be divided into two types. They are definite articles and indefinite articles. First you must know what is indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles as they do not indicate any specific person or thing. They are used with singular nouns only. A is used before a countable nouns that begin with a consonant sound. An is used before a countable nouns with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are called vowels. A and an are used the sense of one. A and also an refer to one. Now we must see uses of indefinite articles. So what is an indefinite articles? A and an are called indefinite articles. First A. A is used before consonant sound. That is, for example, 12 inches make a foot. 12 inches. So here A refer to the consonant sound, that is F. 7 days make a week. So a week. So here W is a consonant sound. So if a consonant sound means we must use A. Next, A is used in the sense of one. A is used in the sense of one. For example, there is a dog in front of my house. There is a dog in front of my house. Here a dog. A dog refers to any dog. It's not a specific one. It denotes any dog. So here a dog is a consonant. Here is a bus. So here bus also refer to any bus. Third point, A is used in expression of price, speed, ratio. Price, speed, ratio. See, the price is 60 rupee a kilo. So here A refer to the price. Like that, 40 kilometer is not a distance. So here A refer to the, that means indefinite articles refer to the distance. Next, once a day. Here once a day refer to the ratio. Next one. Next point, before the names of a profession, we must use indefinite articles before a profession. For example, my brother is a doctor. So here D is a consonant. So you must use A. So before the profession also you can use a doctor, like that. He is a clerk. So a clerk. So before the profession you can use indefinite article A, like that. I am a teacher. So here teacher is a profession. So here before the profession we must use indefinite article A. Next rule, before surname. Surname means if he is a stranger. What is the meaning of stranger? Stranger means unknown person. Stranger means unknown person. For example, Mr. Gopal. Mr. Gopal means, so here before the surname you can use A, like that. Mrs. Raj. This is also a surname. So before the surname you can use A. Sixth rule, if the vowel sound like a consonant. See, if the vowel sound like a, for example, here U is a vowel. Union, U is a vowel. E is a vowel. See the words, but there is a consonant sound. The word is a vowel but a consonant. So you must use a university, a union, a European. If you have a U sound, means you can use a university. Next, we are going to see uses of an. An also refer to the one. So in the an is used in the sense of one before a vowel sound. So you must use an before a vowel sound or a horse sound. For example, an ass. So a sound, like that. An umbrella, ha sound. So an umbrella. An egg, like that. An is used before H silent. H silent means singular name starting with consonant sound but having vowel sound. The letter is starting with a consonant sound but had a vowel sound. For example, an honest man. So a H is a consonant, but here you have a vowel sound. So an honest man. Next one, an whore. So ha sound. So here H is a silent, but you have a ha sound. So it is an whore. Okay, next we are going to see the uses of definite articles. So what is a definite article? The is called the definite article. The is used to specify a noun. It shows some particular thing or person that we know already. For example, the apples are on the table. So here the apples. So you already know the apples. So that is why we use the apples are on the table. Like Ram is going to see the doctor. So particularly he is going to see the doctor. So you must use the doctor. Next point, the is used before the superlative degree of adjective. What are the superlative degree? The highest, the biggest, the lowest, the smallest. So before the superlative degree you must use the. For example, the best boy, the cleverest girl. Next point, when a singular noun is meant to represent the whole class. For example, the cow gives us milk. So here the cow refer the whole class of the animal, the cow. Next, the dogs barks at night. So here the dogs refer the whole family of the dog. Next, the is used before the names of things unique of their kind. They are, for example, unique means specific or special. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the stars, they are unique. Next rules is before the names of, we can use the before the names of seas, rivers, oceans. For example, mountains also, the Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea, the Yamuna, the Ganga. So before the names of rivers, mountains and ocean, we can use the definite article the. Next, when we refer to a particular person or things again, at that time we must use the definite article the. I saw a man yesterday. I saw a man yesterday. The man is an actor. So here a man is repeated once again. If a person repeated once again means we must use the definite article the. Next, before the names of musical instrument. So we can use the before the musical instrument. For example, the guitar, the violin, the tabla, the mirdangam, like that. Next, the is used before the names of newspaper. For the Indian Express, the Times of India, like that. Next, the is used before the names of directions. The east, the west, the south, the north, like that. Next, the is used before ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers, first, second, third are called ordinal numbers. What are the cardinal numbers? Means 1, 2, 3, they are called cardinal. So before the ordinal numbers we must use the definite article the. So the first, the second, the 22nd, the 21st, like that. Next rule, the is used before important buildings. Important buildings is the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, like that. Next point, the is used before high rank in society. High rank in society means the prime minister, the chief minister, the governor. So before the is used before the high rank in society. Next, last, we will see before the is used before the people of nation. So what are the people? The American. So the American refer the people, the person who lives in America. The Indians. Indians means the Indian refer to the people. So Indians means the people who live in India are called Indians. So note, but we should not use the India, the America. That is wrong. I hope you understand this topic, the articles. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, students.